Okay, I thought I'd share step 2. This is my template little pattern. I found the center. It's kind of a fat line, but using this T-square and an ink pen didn't quite work out. The thickness of the actual ballpoint, I need to use like a mechanical pencil, and not this big ass mechanical pencil, but actually one of those real skinny ones. Probably those Pentel something 1000, 2000 maybe. Anyways, I measured the thickness of the pressure treated, and it varied between a 1/16 and a 32nd bigger than 1.5 inches. So that's what these lines are. And then I put the gauge on here, and I'm going to use this bit right here. Let's see if I can get that in the sun. And I'm going to take out about that much. And I know this is probably not the way to do it, but I'm actually running down the edge, trusting the edge to be accurate. Drive one side, drive the other side, and then freehand the middle. Now, normally you want to take out what you want to take out. You don't want to use your scrap as your guide, because your scrap could be wrong, and then what you want gone is wrong. But I don't really have an option.